Hey friends, welcome back to Magician Word. In today's video, we're going to explore the fun and adventure associated with dealing with the Banggood.com website customer service department. So if you have a problem with Banggood, or if you're thinking about ordering off of the Banggood, you need to see this video first. It'll tell you everything you need to know. Okay, so this all started back in January. My birthday was January 1st, and this sweet redhead gave me $100 bill for my birthday. I mean, that woman knows what really goes straight to my heart. And I searched around on the websites, Amazon and Walmart.com and Banggood, Gear Best. I wanted to get a new drone, but I wanted to get a really good deal, and I looked like I found a jewel. I got the Bugs 5 4K for $125 if I bought it with this group deal, and so I said order. I splurged the extra $25 myself. I went ahead and ordered this drone and waited patiently for the first month. Now, I felt like the bugs got here pretty quick because on February the 5th, the drone arrived, and I busted open the box and I dug in and started to fire that thing up, and it wouldn't fire up. I had a dud. So I got in touch with customer service at Banggood. Now, if you look on their website, there's three choices. Phone number, which has two parentheses with an exclamation point in the middle. I dialed the exclamation point, but nobody answered. The second was the messenger on Facebook, and the third was this email. So I did the email. I sent an email and told my problem, and I went to the messenger on Facebook, and instantly somebody was right there to live chat with me. And that's how this whole Banggood adventure started. I'm going to share the entire correspondence between myself and Banggood in China, which is actually in China. Okay, so the first message says, "We have transferred you to our live agent. Please describe your problem or send a message first. Then we will join you for a live chat ranks or wait for our staff assistance." So I go ahead and write. I received the Bugs 4K drone. However, after charging the battery, I could not get it to work. The music plays, the eyes light up, remote connects, the app works, camera works, but no LEDs on the bottom come on. And the remote shows no battery signal for the drone. No lights to calibrate by. Motors won't come on. And he says, "Hello, thank you for contacting customer service. How may I assist you? Could you please tell me your order number and I'll check the status." So I Control C, Control V. I received the Bugs 4K drone. However, after charging the battery, I could not get it to work. Music plays, eyes light up, remote connects, app works, camera works, no LEDs on the bottom, come on, blah, blah, blah. Could you please tell me your order number and I'll check the status for you? So I send him the number and he says, "Let me check." Then a little message comes up that said, "We'd appreciate 1 minute of your time to complete the following survey. Your feedback is extremely important to us, and it helps us to improve our services and ensure a more positive shopping experience for our customers." Now, in hindsight, I wished I'd fill out every one of these, because every single time they said a word to me, they put one of these up. And on the very last one, I did end up filling it out. And there's only one question, and it is, did this answer your question? So at this point, of course, the answer would have been no, not yet. So then he comes back and says, we're sorry for the inconvenience caused. Could you send us the details now? Number 1, shipping label outside the package. Number 2, a video or picture to show the problem. Number 3, order number and product ID. If you're not able to do this right now, could you please email us from this link? They give us a link. And of course, I couldn't do it right that minute, and because I wanted to send an in-depth video. So I said right then, I'll have to do it later. And within a couple of days, I sent them this video. Got the Bugs 5W 4K camera right there. And yet it will not come on. Here's the battery. The battery's fully charged according to the charger. Sounds good there. Lights on the front, but nothing on the bottom. No LEDs flash, nothing. Then I turn on the control. Get full contact. All right. Everything seems to work as far as the switches. The GPS will go on and off. The mode. MRC Pro. Start, and got perfect footage of us. Works like a charm. But as you can tell here on the app, it says TX no signal, and there is no fire up. There's no way I could, it doesn't even tell me to do the calibration. I've done the calibration. I've done all of this, and yet there's no flashing lights on the bottom, no signal, and of course it won't fire up at all. Thank you, and let's keep in touch. So a few days go by, and February 10th, I sent my videos and photos last week, and I've not received a response. Order number such and such, case number such and such, wondering the status of my complaint. We advised to contact the carrier, your local post office, and give them tracking code to know what happened to your package. All orders reported as delivered by shipping companies are considered delivered. If this answer does not fit your problem, please click the button Contact Our Live Chat. So I did. We've transferred you to the live chat agent, yada, yada, yada. So I send it again. Hi, I sent my videos, photos last week, have not received a response. Order number, case number, wondering the status of my complaint. And here comes the response. Hi, Blake Walker. Hello. Thanks for the information. I'm checking details for you. Please allow me a moment. As I have checked, the team is working on the same and will notify you on your email as it is resolved. Please do not worry and be relaxed. Be relaxed. And be relaxed. Wow. What am I worried about? I need to relax. Emoji smiley face. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us again. Goodbye. Have a nice day. So I relaxed. February 16th. Hello. I was informed that I would hear something in 24 to 48 hours. I still have not heard anything 11 days. Hi. I sent my videos and photos last week. I have not received a response. Here's the order. Here's the case. wondering the status of my complaint. Basically just copying and pasting everything I had already said. Please bear with me while I'm trying to get an update for you. Oh, we're getting an update. May I know that you haven't got the email from our side regarding this issue. I mean, if you have checked the trash and spam folders, and also try searching keyword Banggood over the email once. Now, you have to understand, I have been looking in this for this email for 2 weeks now. I mean, this already has become a thing, and I have not had one email from them back since the thing was delivered. I know they have my email address. So I said, I have looked and received no email since the delivery email. Okay then, as you have not received email after getting tickets and being waiting since a long time, so I have to do the priority thing. I have to escalate. I have created an escalation. And within 24 hours, our team will revert you with the best resolution, either a refund or a replacement. And please have the picture of the item with you. This is your escalation code. I understand, as you have waited a long time for these tickets to get resolved, which is why I had to escalate it. Sad face emoji. You are a loyal customer of Banggood. I know you had to go through a lot of hassle. And the truth is, they are going through a lot right now. They are going through, first, their Chinese New Year during all of this, and they're also going through the beginnings of this COVID thing during this. Is there anything else I can help you with? Well, I write, should I write back if I hear nothing within 24 hours? And he says, yes. Thank you for trusting us. We assure you that we will count your trust as feasible relationship among us. We will never let you down and never let us down in front of you. Okay, thank you. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us again. Goodbye. Have a nice day. We'd appreciate 1 minute of your time to fill out the phone. Okay, so then February 20th. Hi. I sent my videos, photos February 5th, 15 days ago. Still have not received an email yet. Order number and case number and escalation code 202. Wondering the status of my complaint. If your order status shows delivered, oh, hi. Hope that you are doing well today. Please bear with me while I am trying to get an update for you. May I know that you haven't got the email from our side regarding this issue? I mean, if you check the trash and spam folders and also try searching Banggood keyword over email once. Dear Blake Walker, thank you for your email and order 79 la da da. We truly understand how frustrated you are and feel terribly sorry for all the inconvenience caused. All right. First of all, could you please send us some photos and pictures and videos to show some details of the issue? Requirements are listed as follows. In the photos, we could clearly see shipping priority about the picture, the Banggood sheet. So I write back. I sent all the pics and videos on the 5th of February. Okay then. You checked your TRA and spam folders. Trash at. Yes, I have not received a Banggood email since delivery. I sent them the video through the email. My email is, okay then, let me escalate it for the revert to be sent to you. Escalation code. Bump, 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 bump. I've created an escalation. I've created an escalation. Within 24 hours, our team will revert to you with the best resolution, either a refund or a replacement. And please have a picture of the item with you. This is your new escalation code. Do I come back here if I hear no response? Yes. And I can assure you that now, within 24 hours, it will be resolved. And you do not have to come here again for this same concern. Thank you. I hope not. And ladies and gentlemen, lo and behold, on that next day, I received my first email.